Hi guys, I'm just going to do a quick unboxing video of the new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. And yes, I know there are numerous unboxing videos on YouTube as the S25 has been released for more than 2 months now. But yeah, it's just a quick video, and this is my version. So there's the box. Nothing fancy. Doesn't show any color coding on the box, which is cool. It's just got the pull tabs there that I've already pulled, and this is also where you see what color it is. If it is blue, it had a blue stripe or white stripe, or silver or black. This is a black, titanium black. That's the box, obviously made from recycled materials. No one really cares. That's the box. Inside of the box, you get a SIM card release tool, you get a cable, and you get a quick start guide. No idea really why they put a quick start guide in there. You would think anyone that buys a S25 Ultra or any S Ultra device knows how to start the phone. But yeah, it's there. The cable apparently is some special cable that works better with the super fast charger that they don't give you. Coming to think of it, the quick start guide is probably for guys coming from Apple. That's probably exactly what it is for. There's the phone. Nothing more in the box. Really good looking phone. Titanium sides. And yes, it is better looking in real life than it is on video, or if you've seen any photos of it on social media or anyway. It does look much better in real life. It's actually quite a good looking phone, and it does look quite a bit different than the previous S Ultras, although on paper they look very similar. Obviously this has got the different rings, and it's now completely flat. There's no more curves on it. Even the sides, yeah, flat. On the S24 this was still rounded. Screen is 100% flat. I still got the cover on. I'm not going to go into the specs because there are really a lot of videos that go into the specs of these things. Yeah, so that's pretty much what you get in the box. And yeah, I'm in South Africa, so the equivalent of this is, at the current exchange rate, $1,675 US. So in the States, I think you pay $13.99 for this now as the recommended retail price. Over here it's slightly more expensive. Yes, we don't even have your tariffs, and it's more expensive. So yeah, you would think for over $1,600 US you would at least get a charger. But no, Apple started this trend, if I remember correctly, where they decided that they're not going to put a charger in their flagship phones, and then obviously people still bought the stuff, and then Samsung saw, oh, look at this crap, we can also do this, and then blame it on the environment and say that we're doing it to save the environment because now we don't have to make extra chargers, and we don't have to put the chargers in packaging and this and that, or make the box bigger rather. Now this little box can fit the whole thing. The old boxes were huge. But yeah, now they make the charging capacities or the charging speed so much better. So if you don't have a new charger, you take forever to charge your phone, which is supposed to charge full in less than an hour. I think this year is supposed to go 0 to over 60% in the first half an hour, and I think 0 to 100 is about an hour on the dot, which is slightly quicker than the S24. So you do need the faster charger, so you have to go and spend money on a faster charger. See, that's a 45 watt charger, so you can make use of the capacity or the capacity of the phone. But now you have to go and spend another, this is the equivalent of $37. In the States this will probably be about $30, $29.99, I'm not sure, but yeah, in South Africa it's the equivalent of about $37. And yes, look at it, this comes in a box, so now this box is going to end up in the river or somewhere, so it's not really helping the environment. And yeah, they still had to make the charger because now they make it 45 watts, when my previous phone was 25 watts, so you still have to buy the charger. So I'm a little bit confused why they can't, for your money, give you this in the box. I mean, if you work out the $37 as a percentage, it's less than 2%, or it's something like 2%. So I'm pretty sure the margin on this phone is probably something like 30% or 40%. So can't they just cut the 2% off that and make 38% and not 40%, and put a charger in the box, and then really save the environment, because you don't have to make another box for it. And then people might actually go and say, well, I can't compare or decide rather which one I'm going to go for. I'm going to go for the flagship iPhone. I'm going to go for the flagship Samsung. But this time Samsung has actually made progress, and they give me a charge of my money, so I'm going to go and buy the Samsung. So if there's any Samsung marketing guys out there that's looking for fresh ideas, how about that? And then also someone throw a transparent cover in there, because I think that will cost you 30 cents US cents. So that's really nothing. So give us a charger and give us a cover in the box for our 1300, 1400, 1600, wherever you are, US dollars for a phone. And I think it will really be good for your sales figures. But anyway, it is a good looking phone. And yeah, that's my version of it. Thanks. Be safe.